Hi everyone. Many of you, mainly in business life, use week numbers instead of specifying the exact dates. Saying week number 14 instead of April 1st is often more convenient, especially in projects spanning multiple months or with international teams where date format may vary. So did you know that in project planning application you can display the week numbers in the schedule view? Let me show you how to do that. Week numbers are not displayed by default in the schedule view. Use the Display Preferences menu available in the project toolbar and select week numbers. The week numbers are then displayed on top of the schedule. In addition, week numbers for milestones and gates are displayed in their pop-up tooltip, as well as in their properties and in the data grid view.